discuss the Alexa AI powered digital assistant. So, i-discuss namin kung ano ang mga nasa paloob ng infographics ng bawat isa. So, let's start.
Ayan. Audible ba ako?
Yes.
Ayan. So, good evening everyone. My name is Aaron Jeremy de Morada. So, ang ginawa kong infographics, yan. Kung nakita nyo, ayan. Ayan. Simple lang naman yung infographics ko. I think, ang ginawa kong infographics is informational infographics. Ayun yung type ng infographics na um, sinulat ko dito sa papel. At ang pinaka-design niya is, simple lang, ito yung title, tas ang pinaka-product na dinidiscuss natin or yung i-discuss natin sa reports sa finals. Tapos, nakapalibot yung mga dun sa sa pinakagitna ng logo. Ayan. Tapos ayun, ang may nilagay ako na parang dito drawing na ng Alexa para dagdag design lang din. So yun lang, simple lang yung yung infographics ko. So, yan, thank you.
So, good evening, everyone. So, this is what I did here. So, I just put here the information about Alexa and what Alexa has. So, first is voice commands. Dito naman po sa voice commands, you can play the music. You can set the alarms or check the weather updates like that po. So, for the number 2, dito for the number 2 is skills. Alexa skills are you can order food, playing games, or getting fitness. So marami pa siyang informations about sa skills. So sa number 3 is smart home integration. Dito you can control the lights or thermostats, cameras, and other devices using voice commands. So for number 4, Amazon Echo devices, you can share it to the TV, the tablets, or you can share it to the phone. So for the number 5, here's natural language processing, which is ito po yung pinaka good thing sa kanya because you can talk to her, you can make a conversation about it. Like that. So for the number 6 is privacy concerns. There have been privacy concerns regarding Alexa's always on. She's listening feature user can review and delete voice. For the last is continuous improvement. Amazon regularly updates Alexa with new features and improvements to enhance its functionality and user experience. That's all.
Hello everyone. I'm audible po ba? Okay. So, good day everyone. So, I am Mary Regine. So, pare-parehas lang naman yung gawa natin. Napili kong infographics is kagaya kay Aaron. Here. Wait lang. Nagbo-blur. Wait lang Ayan. Wait. Actually, hindi ko siya masyadong nilagyan ng color kasi based dun sa YouTube, hindi naman very important yung color, yung mga fonts, which is yung important is yung nilalaman no infographics information. So, dito, naglagay ako ng a small logo, then the title, of Alexa, I put title Unlocking the Power of Alexa AI. So, ayan. Tapos, kung anong meron kay Alexa, which is from, ano siya ni Amazon, and isa siyang, virtual assistant, AI technology na developed by Amazon. So, yun nga, sabi nga ni Daniela is, si Alexa is Amazon Echo Smart Speakers. Ayan, na-develop siya by Amazon Lab 126. So, yun nga, capable siya for voice interaction, music, playback, and marami pang iba. Then, nilagyan ko lang dito ng konting ah, ganap dito, which is yung reviews. So, makikita mo dyan kung ilang stars. Then, ginaya ko lang yung sa YouTube, yung mga pwede mong ilagay sa infographics, which is yung audiences, yung goals, and yung gather information, and yung logical hierarchy of data ni Alexa. So, sa audiences naman, of course, si Alexa, ginagamit talaga siya ng mga bawat tao, individuals, or yung family na interested in smart home automation and voice control technology. So, sa nakita ko kay Alexa, puro yung mayayaman lang yung mga nakaka-afford ng mga ganito. Then, pag ginagamit mo sa Alexa is mas mapapabilis, convenient, and energy efficient at masisecure ka pag ginagamit sa Alexa. As well, sa mga tao na naghahanap ng mga hands-free way to control various devices and services. So, sa goals naman, si Alexa is, yun nga, nagpo-provide siya ng convenient, the same lang. And, nag-offer din si Alexa ng range of entertainment options and hands-free calling capabilities. Lalo na sa mga bagay to sa mga PWDs, ganyan. Lalo na yung mga walang kakayahang gumalaw. Then, sa information, same lang din about kay Alexa. Yan nga, isa siyang user-friendly interface, and uh, may abilidad din siya to learn and adapt to user preferences over time. So, yun lang yung ginawa ko. Then, sa last part, gumawa ko ng small bar graph. Yan, parang dyan lang nagbe-base yung mga information na ginawa ko dito sa una. Parang konting lang. Yan. That's all for me. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Regine. So, hello everyone. Good evening po. My name is Sheila Marie Cabrera. And for additional na lang po, summarize ko na lang din po kung ano po yung sinabi ni Miss Daniela, Mr. Jeremy, and Miss Regine. So, ganun din po yung naharap kong information sa infographic po ng by Alexa AI. So, Alexa AI, ito po yung gawa ko. Ito po yung sinulat ko. So, summarize na lang po siya. So, Alexa AI, developed by Amazon, is a virtual assistant powered by artificial intelligence. It responds to voice commands, perform tasks like answering questions, playing music, controlling smart home devices, setting reminders, and more. So, Alexa uses natural language processing and machine learning to continuously improve and provide personalized responses with the ability to connect with third-party services through skills. Alexa offers a wide range and Alexa offers a wide range of capabilities to simplify daily tasks and enhance user interaction with technology. So yun lang naman po yung additional ko po sa nabanggit nila. And that's my part po. Thank you. Next po.
Thank you, Ms. Cabrera, and all Samar, David, and Murada. And for my part naman po, I'll discuss about the Alexa AI-powered digital assistant. Dito po nakapaloob, ayan makikita natin. Ayan. Um, sa paggawa ng infographics, kailangan po talaga yung pinaka-details, ano yung mga um, kailangan, accuracy neto, ano yung mga pros and cons neto, and ano yung mga benefits neto. So, sa paggawa ng infographics, ginawa ko po what is Alexa for introduction. Kailangan po natin malaman kung saan nanggaling si Alexa, kung paano siya ginawa. For introduction naman po, it's Amazon Alexa in a voice control, digital or virtual assistant program that accept voice commands. So, ayun po yung what is Alexa. Para naman po sa ating what is accuracy rate of Alexa. Before po dyan, magbibigay po ako ng dalawang signage or dalawang name na part ng accuracy means yung BM and yung GM. So, itatackle po natin yan kapag dumating po tayo sa final project natin. But before that, explain ko muna po yung what is accuracy rate of Alexa. Ang BN po is brand names na kung saan meron silang 64.2% na accuracy for Alexa. And para naman po sa ating GN is generic names. Names ay 66.7% yung accuracy rate niya. So, next po is yung pros and cons ng using for Alexa. Ayan. For pros is Alexa is a voice assistant and smart home hub, which means that she can control all your other devices and apps. Para naman po sa ating cons, it threats in security and privacy. Many workers have found ways to gain access from people's information and exploit them timeline. So next, para sa ating benefits, ayan, so sa paggawa ng infographics, don't forget na malagay natin yung pinaka-benefits, ano yung epekto neto kapag ginamit natin ang isang Alexa AI. Ayan. So sa benefits naman po, smart home, productivity, shopping, entertainment, Alexa together communication, news, routine, fun, games, and audio. Ayan. So, sa lahat ng binanggit natin, magkakaroon ng advantage ang paggamit kay Alexa. So, that's it, everyone. I hope na may nakuha po tayong and yung mga manonood na idea galing po sa akin. So, dahil tapos na ang ating individual presentation para sa ating infographics, let's vote naman po para sino ang mapipili natin na gagamitin ng infographic para sa ating final project. So, pwede tayong gumamit ng chatbots. Yan, yung chat, yung dyan, yung message. Then, let's vote na po. Siguro bigyan natin yung sarili natin ng time for 30 minutes. Okay. Thank you, everyone. So, ang napili po natin is yung Alexa AI-powered digital assistant. So, hoping na mas mapadali yung final project natin sa mga details and sa mga definition na nabigay ng ating mga infographics. And also, makakatulong din po yung mga infographics na ginawa nyo dahil mapagsasama-sama po natin siya. And that's it. Thank you everyone, and also thank you, sir, for watching this.